intonation. Where is the hello?
I've got all the packages, I've got all the packages, I've got all the packages, yes I do, woo! But I can't open these because I just painted my nails.
But they look good.
No, they're a mess because me. So, Mama! Hey, lady! I'm gonna go get her.
Probably stale chips.
How's that working out for you?
I still can't open the packages, but this is pretty efficient.
We got wine.
We got wine because it's wine time, and there's a whiny baby.
No one asked you for your.
Excuse you.
The TikTok community does not want to hear from you. You've joined us.
Yeah, because I can't touch stuff. I did my nails.
Where would you like to start, lady?
There are so many boxes to unbox.
There's your pack.
So some of these, though, I have been told you may have to leave.
So we're going to hide them. We're not going to make him leave. We're going to hide them.
Yes.
Really?
I can't say this, and then we will not show it to the viewers.
Here.
Really? Because, like, I could just go hang out with your dad, which isn't a bad thing.
Let me check to see if this is what he can view.
What you got in the... Oh, wait. It's something Stitch related.
It is.
Like
It's
a whole
all
pack.
stick combo pack.
This is Feed Me Stitch. No, not Feed Me Stitch. Yeah, this is Feed Me Stitch. I want to say it's Series 2, which I haven't finished. I've only finished Series 3.
So
Oh,
here's-
look at these. These are
So
cute.
there's a total of
Six.
six.
No.
Yes,
Yes.
collectible minifigure inside. We're not going to unbox
We're
the
not going
rest
to
of those.
unbox them. Let's go on to the next box.
So we're not going to eat it.
Wow, which one are we picking
We're not
next?
going to eat it either.
No.
So, but
Next.
okay.
Yeet! You just yeeted.
Okay, this one is one that I'm.
Please
concerned-
hold.
Gregory,
Don't
can't
look.
see
You
this.
can't see that
Next
one.
box. Next box.
I feel attacked.
You should feel attacked. This is for Christmas.
Yeah, she's gonna wait a long time.
We already started shopping.
Oh, can't see that one either.
Greg can't see it.
Well, at least they're near each other. All right, please hold while we get this one. What do you have behind box 5?
4.
4.
Four. This is like Christmas in August. So here's Dormans. I've not seen these.
Are these
Yeah,
squish?
these are the Adorables Squish-A-Lot Series 3.
Oh, these are the houses.
Yeah.
And there are 40 to collect. Oh, and there's villains. Oh, and there's a Stitch. I wonder which one Rachel wants.
I want Stitch.
So we can eat that one.
Success! On to the next. We've got more Amazon packages here than
These are
Amazon.
heavy, so I think that we'll be okay.
I
with it.
forgot to tell them to put in as few packages as possible this
Do we
time.
believe you?
Yes. Because I said I forgot.
All right.
Oh.
This is Rachel's morning coffee.
Yay.
Boo!
When she
Why is
needs,
that boo?
I don't like that thing.
she needs
I
to be,
love it.
when she needs to be caffeinated.
Which
First
is
thing
every morning because...
Life.
And eat.
Next one. Now we got the big ones.
Can Greg see this?
I don't know.
Is it a box in a box?
No, it's wrapped in a thing. Hold on, we're looking. We're looking. Greg can't see this! Greg can't see this next box!
The dogs are going crazy.
Who needs a Greek chorus when you have a dog chorus?
Greg can't see this! Greg can't see this! Can't see this!
Rachel just yeeted me across the
So you
board.
know what? So far, most of the boxes are Christmas gifts for our cameraman.
I feel so luxurious.
They are
I think he can see this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, please hold. What do we got?
This one's gonna be a fun one because I see lots and lots of adorables.
Oh, please tell me Series 12.
They are.
And let me just
Pixel
check.
Perfect.
That's a different code. That's a different code. That's a different code.
Okay, they're all different.
Those are all different so far. Wow, you got a lot.
I got 10.
One of them may be a duplicate.
That's okay.
They
We have
are.
people who like them who have
Yeah.
grandchildren.
I am.
Eat the box.
Hang on.
Wait, I gotta watch the doggy. Ready?
Go ahead.
Ready, set, eat.
Yeet.
There are puppies.
We avoided the dog. All right, next one, please hold. Lady, what do we have in
This box looks like it's an assortment of all kinds of.
Things.
Oh, wait. No, one thing can't be seen. Wait.
Greg can't see part of this. Greg can't. Don't
Please.
look. Don't look.
I'm somehow filming this.
Yeah,
My
I'm
face is.
running. I'm running. I'm running.
Okay, what do we win?
We've got more of these cute little houses. I really like these little houses.
Which one is this though? Is this
Which
series?
one's series 2?
These are
These
series
are
2.
squishies.
So these are different ones. These
these-
are the squish ones. Oh my god, and they have Hercules characters. I wonder who
They're
she's
squishy,
going
they're
after.
not like hard.
No, they're gonna be squishy
Okay, and,
doorables.
like, are these like for your baseball cards or something?
Oh no, those are for her crochets.
These are for her.
These are her
Those
cards.
are for my crochet cards.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
All right.
Because gotta catch all the patterns.
Yes, and that will help her get organized. So that's a good thing. Ready? And another one too. Yeet.
Yes. All right, we have 2 more left, and they look suspiciously large and flat.
Like my chest.
I-
Okay, is Susan ready?
I can look at these. Yes.
Yes,
Go
I make
ahead.
everything that we had to hide.
Ooh.
Ooh, the round.
And this is not related to Doorables at all.
Oh, your Bridgerton book came
One of my
in.
Bridgerton books came.
Look at how beautiful that is.
I love a collector's
This is
book.
all the dark side.
This goes with your Oreos.
Yes, this is my
Yeah.
Hee-Hoo collection.
Because you don't.
Hee-Hoo.
So
Luke, I am your father, Hee-Hoo.
you have to get.
This comes with all of these. So you can see her Grievous, Dooku, Mal. Ooh.
Hee-Hoo.
Did you get? Did we film the ones that I bought the other day at the store for you? In those?
All right, please hold while they do the last box.
This is for my crochet stuff.
It's
More-
very
why did-
colorful.
Because I'm out of binder space, so I bought a second one.
And-
You all.
She's making a mess.
We did not eat any.
And
Oh!
this is-
But that is something we need. The
Yes.
girl in the well. Yeah. Oh, this is an easy one. I'm sure Rachel and I are gonna be fine with this.
Although you're probably gonna keep going, but what if they're not actually dead? Which
For
is
the
what you
re-
do every time.
I did not do it on the
All
road
right,
yet.
last one to
One.
yeet. Yeet.
Eat.
We succeeded.
Yes.
So
Hold on.
Mom has one more thing she wants to show
Please
you. We
hold.
haven't shown you yet.
yeah, what you have, Mama?
I was in Walmart the other day and I had to send Rachel pictures like, do you have this one?
It's the new Nightmare Before Christmas one, and they all glow.
And Greg and I will have a spectacular when we open
And
that.
Gregory,
Look, it's
Gregory and Rachel can open this one.
Look, it has 0 in it. I love 0.
When the that's the Spanish version of them. Okay.
The Spanish version.
Yeah, I was
Do
very
they eat
confused.
tacos?
I mean, I would love a taco.
And then episode 1, Star Wars.
Oh, this
Queen Amidala, the most useless character in Lego Star Wars.
She got to do something about. Oh, that Jar Jar Binks face is a little questionable.
See?
So, wait. So then you're only missing one of the new ones. Where's Ewok? Or did you not?
It's in the mail.
More
So
packages.
Ewok Village and Inside Out 2 will be here
Yes.
soon.
Go in front of your packages, because this is.
I could have bought her the Inside Out 2 one. Saw them elsewhere
I
in
already
Walmart,
ordered
but
them.
she had already ordered them. So
You could have canceled. Well, congrats. How do you feel?
Luxurious.
And Paul.
Yes.
and poor.
But luxurious at the same time.
She needs her own home with her own room for all of her collections.
You mean one room? You so funny. She need a basement. She need your basement.
No.
I need all the rooms.
She needs her own
Each
basement.
room will be themed after a different collection that I have.
That's a good idea, actually. You
Yeah,
could fill a house
I'll be like that. What was it? Is it the Oogie Boogie Man from whenever in Halloween Town? Is it Halloween Town 2?
Oh,
And then
yeah.
he loses color, then he starts matching socks.
No, I just think her future office should just be all Stitch themed. So then when she actually goes on camera, she can just show the world that she's surrounded by a blue alien.
She is a blue alien.
All right, anything to say to your fans, Mama?
So ends another unboxing craziness. Bye, everybody.